So you guys, I bought 3 of these. First I had bought 1 and I put her up on the wall because this is where my garbage goes. That's where my garbage goes, and I'm cleaning up right now. So I have a bottom thing that holds the bottom of the garbage. I'm about to cover that with this one. This would be my 3rd one. That's my 2nd one. So these are $5.99 a roll. I got this from Walmart, walmart.com. So $5.99 a roll. So I thought 1 was going to be enough because this was just a little space, but I didn't measure. I just looked at the measurements. I assumed. I forgot what the measurements were, but anywho, 1 didn't go. So I said, well, let me buy 2 more, which came immediately because they remembered that I bought the first one. And the first one took about 4 days, and the second one took like 2 days. So that was good because I wanted it to be up immediately, and they knew that it was me. Anywho, so 2 of them are on the wall. Yeah, I had to do cutouts. I did the best I could. And it goes all the way down a little bit above the baseboard. So now I have to clean the baseboard and then repaint some of it. And then I'm gonna, the part that goes on the floor, I'm in the process of covering that with this one. So that's 2 out of 3, and that's what I did with them for my, it's easy, it's wipeable, it's removable, and you can put it back. And it's the marbled wallpaper. There you have it. So it's easy to clean. Yeah, you gotta be slow when you're trying to take it back off. I did peel up a little bit of my paint. Anywho, there you have it.